Hi, I'm Julie Gibson, the Mayor of North Sydney. Recently we installed new pop-up community plazas in Burton Street and Miller Street. These spaces are designed for pedestrians to take time out, to enjoy a meal purchased from one of our local businesses. It's well known that there is not enough open space in our local area, and land prices are at a premium. This is why we took up these cost-effective opportunities to repurpose some roads and create new areas for our community. Please visit them and let us know any feedback, including whether you would like to make the plazas permanent. Thank you and stay safe as Sydney begins to open up.